Since 2005, we have been dedicating ourselves to the passion for welding. Our passion has led to the establishment of a corporate infrastructure to deliver effective and consistent welding solutions. This has enabled us to relentlessly pursue RDI breakthroughs. With them, we bring our passion for welding to a new level where user experience is key. Our passion also resides in partnerships centered around value delivery. We serve channel partners from over 80 countries, and our services stand out in swiftness and global market adaptation. Moreover, we are thrilled to embrace a spontaneous online community of satisfied end customers. As a publicly listed welding company, we embrace our responsibility in achieving sustainable success. We uphold high standards in environmental compliance, social responsibility, and corporate governance. With 15+ years of undying passion, we will bring our enthusiasm into the future of welding. JASIC, passionate about your welding.